To install the battery, you require 3 AAA batteries, and you need your Allen key here to unscrew the screw off. Once you remove the screw, you can slide off the casing, and then you can see that it will tell you how to position your batteries here. And what you do now is to lift up the lid here and then place your battery in. Once you place your battery in, you close the lid. In the middle here is where you put your screw for the battery cover, which is provided in your box there, and using this screwdriver. So once you screw on, it just looks like this, and then you can cap it back. Before you put your casing back, let's take a quick look. So if you can see this silver bit is for you to loosen your front lock so that you can adjust the length of the lock cylinder to like 20 millimeter. So this is how it works. So once you adjust your distance, tighten it, and then you can put the green silicone that is provided inside here. Okay, so I'm not going to do it yet because I'm not sure what is mine. So once you are happy with everything, you can close it and put back your casing, your cover, and then use your Allen key and the screw to screw tight the casing here. Okay. If you require more length of for your lock cylinder, what you can do next is to use the Allen key and loosen the screw here. Once I remove the knob here, we get the extension from the toolkit that is being provided, and then we place it like this. If you can see that it matches here. Okay, then I put in the screwdriver. Again, you can find it in their toolbox here, and it's a cross screwdriver, and which they have provided. So you tighten it like this,